Hi everybody, this is Mr. McKibben, and this is a video about Google Slides. To get to Google Slides, you're going to want to go to your Google Drive. From the KPBSD website, click on the Google Drive. It's going to take you to your drive where all of your documents are stored. Click on New, and go down here and find a new Google Slide. This will open up a blank slide for you. And first thing you're going to want to do is title your slide. So we'll say this is a slide about me. And I can go down here and start adding information. I like trains. And you can change the theme. You can add different images, text box, audios, video, so all the things that you need to make your slide what you want it to be. We don't have to save these. Every keystroke is saved, so once you are done working on it, you can just X out of it, and when you want to go back and find it, you can just go into your Google Drive again, and it will show up underneath your recent documents. So recent things that I've worked on, it's going to show up right here, a slide about me. I could also go back to, if I'm in here, and I could search for it. I could say slide about me, and then I could go down here and find the slide about me and find it that way also. So a couple ways to find that slide once it's in your Google Drive. If you have any other questions, feel free to get a hold of me.